To fix your top-load washing machine smell, start by identifying the source of the odor. The most common causes of a smelly washing machine are mold, mildew, and detergent residue. Begin by checking the gasket and seals for any signs of mold or mildew. If you find any, clean the area with a mixture of equal parts water and white vinegar. Next, run a cleaning cycle with a washing machine cleaner or a cup of white vinegar to help remove any build-up residue and odors. If your washing machine does not have a cleaning cycle, run a hot water cycle with the vinegar or cleaner. This will help to sanitize the interior of the washing machine and eliminate any unpleasant smells. Another key step is to leave the lid of your washing machine open after use to allow it to dry completely. This will help to prevent the growth of mold and mildew, which thrive in damp environments. Additionally, regular maintenance is crucial to prevent future odors. Run a cleaning cycle every 1 to 2 months to keep your washing machine fresh and clean. It is also important to use the correct amount of detergent, as excess detergent can leave residue and contribute to unpleasant odors. Check your detergent instructions for the recommended amount to use. Furthermore, consider using a high-efficiency detergent, which is designed to produce fewer suds and reduce residue. To prevent future odors, establish a regular cleaning routine and take steps to reduce moisture in your washing machine. This includes not overloading the washing machine, as this can prevent it from draining properly and lead to the growth of mold and mildew. By following these steps and maintaining your washing machine regularly, you can eliminate unpleasant odors and keep your washing machine running efficiently and effectively.